A helper. Say that again.
Hamburger.
No, you said hamburger helper.
Yeah, this is hamburger helper.
But it's not. The hamburger helper is the glove. The little glove. They walk around the TV selling hamburger.
I thought it was hamburger helper.
It's helper, ain't it?
It's got an L in it.
Yeah. Because they gonna help your ass. Help you cook.
A helper is a helper.
Helper.
What's the L for?
The lure.
How do you spell
Lame.
The lure, the help lure.
H-E-L-P-E-R. I ain't never not seen the L. I had to look that one up. I don't believe y'all. Are you touching somebody else's straw?
Mine.
Did you see where you got to fix your drink at? Looks really gross over there. What'd you say? She out there filming our shit? She said who?
That's what I said.
How'd she say it?
You wanna come over? I said what?
You said what?
You wanna come over? You wanna come over?
She said you want to come on her butt. What? That's what it sounded like you just said. Come on, Papa. Oh, you looking at the little dude sleep? His girl put his ass out. No, he cheated on his girl, felt guilty, and she threw his ass out. And he went to sleep at Walmart. He sat out and did drugs all night. Passed out. McDonald's.
I go to the new beach. Oh, yeah, that.
You got your bikini ready?
Yes, I do. It's a new beach. It's a new. It's a.
Her speedo, her man's thong.
It's a new beach.
A new beach?
Yes.
Oh, Lord.
Yep.
You ain't gonna be sending no pictures like that.
No.
Take a bite of that burger. I'll give you $1 million.
You gonna add $1 million.
You gonna bring New Year in
At the new beach.
At the nude beach. Is it really a nude beach?
Yes, it really is.
You finna go to the nude beach? You pervert.
I'm
You
just kidding.
You're not kidding.
I don't want to go to the new beach.
You going to the nude
Because
beach?
you gotta be new.
We sending this to Grandma for Christmas.
No, so you can go look at us with new. The people be that new.
You going to nude beach?
Record me while I'm talking about new people. Anyway.
Are you sleepy?
Just love it.
Are you happy?
Yes, nervous and
don't let this Alexis is dead right now.
Can we get something free? We're the secret shoppers. And y'all have failed your challenge. They failed their challenge. I wouldn't be secret about it. I'd be like, what the hell is this shit? Get this shit off the table. Your hands are dirty. You fell on the floor. Go wash them.
I got so mad. I couldn't watch my favorite show yesterday because all the wind, it freeze, and then the TV show, no signal.
I might need to stop it and start again. Otherwise, it won't.